You say auntie?
Doing?
No.
No.
Are they in the car?
Beep beep.
They beep beep.
What do you see?
Him and Mike went to the school. So what y'all doing after y'all?
You want some chips? Can you have some chips?
You eating your chips?
You eating chips. It's okay. Okay. You eating chips?
Yummy.
Yummy?
What? Blue.
Huh?
Hey, blue.
You blue?
A birthday.
Oh, you blue. Cake, happy birthday.
Blow the candles out.
It's a video or picture. I feel like it's a video. She got
My cousin.
Got me. Happy birthday, granddad. Happy
Uncle Carl.
Get all full up.
A mess, but happy birthday, Dad.
Hey guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm starting the vlog today on Sunday, July 7th. Yesterday we went to my uncle's 80th birthday party. He looks so good for 80, and we love Uncle Carl. He's like a grandfather figure. You guys met Uncle Carl before. But yeah, it was his birthday. Well, his birthday's today, but we celebrated yesterday. I have to call him actually. But yeah, that was cute. Kai had fun, good food. But it is going on 11 o'clock. I did a quick short pickup order because there's just like, I could have waited, but like Kai, you know, the made good cookies that he likes, and we haven't had them for like a week, and he asks for them every day. So I'm like, let me give my baby some cookies because, but yeah, he had a long day yesterday. He didn't really take long of a nap at all, so he's still tired. But yeah, I'm about to go to Target, pick up this little order. I think I also got paper plates. I got a new dish brush. It's time to get a new one. Paper plates, cookies. I feel like I got something else. Plastic spoons. I'm pretty sure that's it. Oh, I need paper towels, but I'll add that to the next list. I'm sure I'll do another one tomorrow or Tuesday. But okay, let's go to Target, babes. Hey guys, so I'm in the car on the way, waiting for them to come out. I'll just show you guys too when they come in here. Oh guys, I got some Celtic salt. C-L-C-E-L-T-I-C, Celtic salt. People say Celtic salt, but it's pronounced Celtic salt. Say that, it's very hard to say. Yeah, because I saw on TikTok, they were saying one of the ways to level up and like to glow up is to get your hydration in. And they say Celtic salt has like 80 something minerals in it, and it helps with hydration. So like it provides cellular hydration. So you know, like when you're drinking a lot of water, you're like, oh my gosh, I'm drinking all this water and I just go into the bathroom so much. Like I used to think me going to the bathroom was like an indicator of like how much water I'm getting in. It's like, yeah, sure, but it's going straight through you, babes. Whereas when you're hydrated and your cells are getting the water, you don't go to the bathroom as much because the water is going to your cells. And so the Celtic salt helps the water go into your cells. So today's day one of that. So that's part of the new routine. I put some under my tongue, like a pinch under my tongue, and then I put a pinch in my water, and they say you can, like, throughout the day when you refill your water, just put a pinch in. So I'm going to be pinching in the Celtic salt babes. I think he's here. Okay, I wish he would come on this side. You come on this side. Hi. 5035. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Okay. So yeah, I got the Celtic salts. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Tarjay Vibes. I like saying that. First things first is this dish brush, because ours is getting a little old and nasty. We've had it for like a few months, so it's time to get a new one. These are the cookies that Kai loves. He's gonna be so excited when we get home, and I'm excited for him. I got, oh, that's what else I got. Okay, so like I said, I got the plastic spoons. I got paper plates too, but I don't want to take those out the bag because I just don't want to. And I got Kai some socks. So he already has these, but they were like 6 to 12 months or something, and his little foot is just getting bigger and bigger. These look really big, but they're 2T and 3T. But these will be cute with like shorts and like little sneakers, t-shirt type vibe. Speaking of, this week, one day, maybe tomorrow, I might go to Zara and get him some things, or do an order online, but I think I'm gonna go in person. I don't know, I'm kind of getting ahead of myself. It'll be nice to go in person, but I might do it online, or I can go online and choose things. But he got a gift card for his birthday, and I want to get him some more t-shirts and like shorts and things for summer, because it's been freaking hot, babes. Been so hot. But yeah, so there's that. My biceps and triceps are so sore. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. I was gonna go to the gym this morning, but I was like, let me just do an hour of work. And at the gym, I was just gonna do like 30 minutes of cardio. So here's the thing, my cardio. So I'm switching it up, y'all. I really want to do 12-3-30, but the true 12-3-30 is so hard. It's so hard. So I'm starting off at 30 minutes, but the other day I did the incline at like 2.6. So I'm gonna work my way up to speed 3, because speed 3 is freaking hard. But yeah, so I was just gonna do that and like sit in the sauna because my muscles are so sore. But I was like, let me just do an hour of work. So I did some overtime for my 9-to-5 job, and I just did an hour of some things that I got behind on, so that way tomorrow I'm freshly up to date and all that. So I'm happy I did that, and it's like a extra funds, you know, we love her. So yeah, but it's okay. I worked out every day last week. So yeah, I gotta charge my battery because it says we have 4 minutes. Is that the battery or the memory card? I think it's the battery. I'm not sure. Hold on. Okay. It's like after 9:30. Right now it's 9:34 actually. Whoa, I'm sorry. Good morning. Oh, I forgot to switch memory cards. It's okay. These are gonna be, what the heck? These are gonna be short, quick clips. But I'm about to head to the gym really quick. I'm just gonna do an arm workout, probably walk for 10 minutes, sit in the sauna for a little bit, and then afterwards I'm gonna go to Ulta and get re-up on my Osea body butter that I love so much. So, and then head back home. So it's gonna be in and out. Hey guys! Hi. It is Saturday.
Hello?
Say hello. It's Saturday. Mama's happy because we don't got no plans. Y'all, we've been so busy. And honestly, to be honest with you, it's been so hot And it's been so hot in the house because the air, something was like, we needed like Freon or refrigerant or whatever, but basically it's fixed. And so now we can like comfortably, if I'm saying that right, be present, right? We love a good air conditioning. But yeah, you can say hi. I haven't talked to you guys in a while.
Mommy.
But I went to Solidcore this morning. Oh my gosh, y'all, I went yesterday too, and between yesterday and today, I got bit 6 times by mosquitoes. Not okay. I don't know what's going on in that. I don't know. But I'm like, I need bug spray. But it's
Oh no.
1 o'clock. I just ate breakfast. I had my egg scramble, so I did go back to my egg scramble, but egg whites. I'm still, like, the yolk is just giving, like, I don't want to. But yeah, I just did egg whites, spinach, and turkey bacon. I got a new mug from Target this morning. We love one of my favorite YouTubers. She's also a mom, stay-at-home mom, Bianca Henderson. She just got the Breville, and I'm so excited for her because she's been talking about she wants the Breville, and I'm like, ever since she said she wanted the Breville, I'm like, well, what's the Breville? So now I see the Breville, and now I'm like, I want the Breville, and I'm excited that she got it because I'm going to look at how she uses it so I can use it. But I wouldn't be getting that for like a while. The Breville. I do want an espresso. I want a lot of things in life. Tried a new creamer, the Chobani creamer, because Coffee Mate just has too many. I'm really trying to like cut back on like seed oils. Where's he at? I'm really trying to cut back on seed oils and all of that, and like just really be cautious about what I'm putting in my body. So we're serious, and that's what I'm doing. I mean, I was like, let me go up there, like, me look, take my hair down. But like, you guys are getting Kayla at her finest. You guys saw that I posted I deleted Instagram video if you haven't watched it already. But yeah, I love that we're all in this together, and that, you know, there's other people out there who understand where I'm coming from. But of course, that's how God works anyways. He told me to put that video out anyways. So clearly there's someone who needs it, because we're all in service for other people. I really feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a while. Because I really haven't sat and like vlogged in the house in a while. We still haven't had Quan still hasn't taken the coffee table to his cousin's, but it's okay. This is just so good. It's the Chobani sweet cream. And I was scared to get it because it's like made with real cream, real milk, and da-da-da-da. But like, my tummy's been fine. Like, it doesn't make me feel, like, I don't feel like lactose intolerant. I mean, I'm not gonna get ahead of myself. I can't just go and eat some ice cream, but this creamer is really good. I'm gonna try some other flavors, like cookie dough and hazelnut. Come here, Kai. I also got Kai a workbook, but I can't show you guys right now because he's gonna want it. What's he spitting out his mouth? What was that? Why you spit it out? It is nasty. He spit it out on the floor. Stop. I got this like stain spray from TikTok shop. And I'm gonna see if it works. I also, speaking of TikTok shop, I got a walking pad, y'all. It hasn't come in yet, but like, I'm trying to get my 10,000 steps a day, and my neighborhood isn't really like the walkable neighborhood type vibe. So I'm like, I can't just depend on going to the gym and going, I mean, I just wanted to walk back. I don't have to explain myself, but yeah, so that's coming. So excited. Really excited about that, actually. So we're in our get lean and fit and skinnier. That's what I want. That's what I want. I don't care. I want to be lean and skinny, okay? I said it. I said it. It is what it is. Good morning. It's the next day. It's Sunday. I'm going to the gym. I'm just gonna do like a very quick ab little thing, and then walk on the treadmill. Nothing crazy, but I'll probably do 30 minutes. If it goes longer, not too much longer, I don't know. I just I did a Target pickup order, so I'm low-key just like wasting time till the Target order is ready. Yeah, I'm not gonna really be like focusing on cardio anymore as much. I'm really focusing on like strength training, but I'm definitely still wanting to move my body, obviously. So just a quick ab thing and cardio. So taking you guys with me. Probably won't record myself on the treadmill because like I don't know how to do that. Like I don't want to set my camera up for however long and like I don't know, but let's go to the gym. I'm so tired, y'all.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. Of you. Of you. Know that I'ma ignore you all night. Know that I'ma decline your calls, right? But I know that when I get home, I'll check in my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, cause I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you.
Hi. Oh, is that mine? 0641. About to go home. It's 11 o'clock. Yeah, I don't know. If I don't see you, I love you, but going home.